Good morning friends. In this video we'll solve the problem set 33, question number 3. A ribbon is 3 meter long. Okay, can we cut into 50 centimeter pieces and have nothing left over? Write the reason why or why not. Okay, what they are saying, they have a 3 meter long ribbon and they want to cut that ribbon into 50 centimeter. Okay, and they are asking, is there means that ribbon is completely cut with that measurement or not. Okay, is there anything left or not? We have to see. First of all, we have to see here it is given in meter, and in which measurement we have to cut? We have to cut in centimeter. Clear? So it is in meter, we have to cut in centimeter. So first of all, we have to make the unit same. Okay, so here it is given a ribbon is 3 meter long, but 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So the ribbon will be 300 centimeter. So this will be, suppose this will be a ribbon. They want to cut this ribbon into 50 centimeter, like the pieces they want to cut. Okay, and they are asking if the ribbon should be cut perfectly with this measurement or not, or something will be left over. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, they are cutting now, that means we have to divide. If 300 is completely divisible by 50, that means if remainder it will be 0, that means there will be nothing over left if it is completely divisible by 50. Okay, if it is not completely divisible by 50, that means it is there something will be left over. Okay, so first of all, we have to divide. Here I have written the 50 table. So in 50 table, 300 is coming in how many time? It will come by 6 times. Okay, so you can see here you will find remainder as 0. That means that ribbon 3 meter ribbon is completely divisible by 50. Okay, so nothing left over. Okay, so question number 4 is same as question number 3. Here also 3 meter long it is given, and they want to cut into 8 pieces of ribbon. Each ribbon should be 40 centimeter. Clear? So you have to find the answer. The question number 4 is for homework. Okay, try to solve this, and will move to question number 5. Now what they are saying, if the number is given in the table is divisible by the given divisor, put right in this box. If it is not, it should be cross. Okay, so first of all, we'll check. Okay, here division number is there and here it is number. So is 2 into table 15 is coming? No. So we'll put a cross. In 5 table 15 is coming? Yes. So we'll put a tick. In 10 table 15 is coming? No. So we'll put in cross. In 2 table 30 is coming? Yes. We'll put a tick. In 5 table 30 is coming? Yes. In 10 table 30 is coming? Yes. Okay. So now in 2 table 34 is coming? Yes, we'll put a tick. In 5 table 34 is coming? No, we'll put a cross. In 10 table 34 is coming? No, so we'll put a cross. So in 2 table 46 is coming? Yes, we'll put a tick. In 5 table 46 is coming? No. In 10 table 46 is coming? No. So we'll, like that you have to check if it is completely divisible, that you have to put it tick, or if it is not completely divisible, you have to put it cross. Okay.